Good day, viewers. Today I want to introduce to you our tire changer TCL2413. On the right hand side, you have the supporting arms that control with L. It goes up and down for the control. And right here you have the pedal. The first one is for the tower. And the second pedal is for the clamping jar. The third pedal is for the brake breaker. The fourth one is for the turntable. And also have reverse. To push it up, have reverse. Air inflator gauge. And right here you have the pedal. And this is the pedal for air inflator. And right here you have the tank.
DaTo, the legendary leader of automotive equipments,